Need computer training for a group or office? Contact us today to get a free demo of our training at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.
You can create groups in your item list for items that you may purchase individually but want to display as a single line item within your sales forms. For example, if you sold gravel by the ton and also assessed a service charge for the delivery, you could create both the gravel as a non-inventory part and the service charge for the delivery as an other charge, and then create a group, like gravel delivery, that consists of the gravel and the delivery charge. You can then display a single line item within the invoice instead of two separate line items. However, you can also choose to show the component items if you prefer. Note that before you can create a group, you must first create all of the necessary items that will be included as parts of the group within the item list. After creating the items to add to the group, you can then create the group item by clicking the item button in the lower left corner and then selecting the New command. In the New Item window, select Group from the Type drop-down menu. Then enter a name for the group into the Group Name/Number field. You can then enter the line item description of the group to display within your sales forms by entering that into the description field. If you want to print the items within the group, check the Print Items in Group checkbox. Otherwise, you will only get the description printing within the sales forms. To then add the items to the group, click into the Item column and use the drop-down that appears to select the first item to add to the group. Then click into the Quantity column and enter the desired quantity. Note that you can leave the quantity column blank to specify the quantity when you use the group item within the sales form if desired. You then repeat this process of adding items and specifying quantities until you've added all of the necessary items into the group. Now note that the items listed in a group item are always going to be displayed within the data entry view of the sales form so that you can change the quantities if needed. Now once you've created the group item, click the OK button to save the item into the item list.
Like what you see? Get a free demo of our training for groups of 5 or more at www.teachucomp.com/enterprise-licensing.